difference between potentiometer and voltmeter is that potentiometer accuracy of potentiometer is very high as compared to voltmeter in terms of measurement of voltage. Okay. And I just want to explain this question. Basically, what they are saying, the sliding contact, this sliding contact, okay, is in the middle of the potentiometer. Middle means like that, like this. Middle means what? Of the potentiometer wire having resistance. So this is the potentiometer wire. Okay. We have connected one resistance outside like this. You know jockey. Sliding contact is jockey. In class 12 you have learned in lab. Jockey is like this. Fan shape. Okay. Jockey. The sliding contact is nothing but jockey. And this is the potentiometer wire. This wire, can you see this red color wire? From here to here. From here to here. This is potentiometer wire. Its resistance is how much? 1 ohm. And this is in the middle. Middle means this length is total is L. So it is up to L by 2. Okay. Middle is meaning is that. So actually what is going to happen? I just want to explain. An external resistance 2 ohm is connected by the sliding contact. Now listen, what is going to happen actually? Sliding contact of potentiometer is in the middle of the potentiometer wire having resistance. Meaning is that sliding contact in the middle means here. Actually, they didn't show one thing like here galvanometer is also there, which is connected with a sliding contact. Galvanometer. Actually, this is a balancing point. Balancing point means here what is going to there is no deflection in the galvanometer. Actually, meter is also there with this jockey. So at this, what they are saying, sliding contact is in the middle means here they are getting balancing position. That is J. Okay, J balancing position means there is no current is going to flow to what? Balancing means what? If here
No current is
2.9
flowing
volt,
through the.
okay, let us suppose here voltage is V, okay, here voltage at J is V1, then here also V, here also V1, same potential difference across this, same potential difference across this. Meaning is that clear? Now tell me, simple, I just want to ask what they're asking. They're asking current actually. How much current is supplied by the cell? Here. Now you can draw like this also. The circuit can be redrawn like this. This length of the potentiometer can be represented in terms of resistance like this. Okay, like this. And I think here our jockey in the middle. Okay, understood? External resistance. This is how much? 2. Okay. The potentiometer wire is 1 ohm resistance. If you make it half, then it become half. Okay. It become half. Clear? 0.9 volt. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Simple series parallel problem like they're asking I, we can find. Here I, some current divided. Okay. Because middle means this is 0.5 ohm, this is 0.5 ohm. Clear? Now simple you can solve like this question now. I we need to calculate now. This is 2.5. 2.5 is in parallel. What is the formula? R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay. That is what? 1 by 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. That is how much? 2 by 5.
2 by
2 by 5. And this is plus half. Series now. How much? 5 to the 5, 2 to the 4, 2, 5. It is 9 by 10. 9 by 10. Okay, clear? Total resistance.
0.9. Okay, no.
Okay, this is 0.9 volt. So how much current? 1 amp.
1.
Clear?
Yeah, sir.
That's what they are asking. Clear?
Mm-mm-mm.
Any
Okay,
doubt?
sir. No, clear.
Okay.